Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to create this beautiful halo eye look using the Huda Beauty Pretty Grunge palette. First of all, let's take a moment to appreciate this palette. I mean, look how stunning it looks. Look at the detailing on the palette, and when we open this, it has a beautiful like smoky color story which I absolutely love. So now let me quickly show you how I created this eye look. So first, on a pencil crease brush, I am taking this black matte shade called Renegade, and I am just placing it on my crease area. I am not placing it above my crease. I am just following my natural crease and placing it on my crease very nicely. Then I am taking this deeper brown shade called Nirvana, and I'm simply blending the crease using a small blending brush. Make sure you use very small circular motions and wiping motions, and you need to maintain a very steady hand while you're blending. Then I'm taking this rosy brown shade called Brave. I'm using the same brush for blending this. For transition shade, I'm taking this shade called Liberty, and I'm just placing it all over my transition area and blending it in a circular and wiping motions. Make sure you use a very dense fluffy brush to blend this out. By the way, this palette is super pigmented, so make sure you work with less product and build it up further if you want. Then I'm creating a halo using a flat concealer brush and a concealer, and I'm just following my crease and cutting my crease just in the middle part. Then I'm taking this stunning silvery shade called Maverick, and I'm applying it in the middle of my lid using my finger, and look at that shimmer, oh my god. Then I'm taking this bronzy goldy shade called Stand Up, and I'm blending it with the Maverick shade. I'm just blending the edges so that it looks seamless and it has no harsh lines. Then I'm again taking those brown and black shades and blending the edges. So as I said, take little product and blend. Don't take too much product at one time. Just take little product and build it up according to your preference. And once you're happy with the blend and all the color, then you can proceed ahead. Now I'm just filling my waterline using a kohl pencil. Now I'm blending my lower lash line using the same brown shades using a smudger brush. Now I'm taking the shade Maverick again and placing it on the middle of my lower lash line. Coating my lashes using a mascara. And there you have it. It looks so beautiful. I'm totally impressed with this palette. It performs beautifully. If you want me to create more looks using this palette, let me know in the comments below. Do subscribe to my channel and like this video. Also, all the products that I used are mentioned in the description box below along with the links, so you can check that out as well. And stay tuned to my channel if you want more such content. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care.